Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure your iPhone isn't muted and that sound can play through the speakers you want. Open Apple Maps and enter a destination, then tap directions to begin guidance. Voice prompts only appear once navigation starts. If you'll use Bluetooth or CarPlay, connect before adjusting because audio routing changes which volume control controls the navigation voice. Once done, locate your device volume buttons and keep the Maps app visible so subsequent adjustments affect the navigation audio. While navigation is active, press the side volume buttons to change the current audio level. This directly alters the navigation voice if Maps is playing sound. You can also swipe to open Control Center for precise slider control. Make sure the audio output icon matches your car or speaker. In Apple Maps itself, tap the speaker icon on the route screen to cycle between no voice, low, and normal. Use this to silence turn by turn or make prompts more prominent. These steps ensure you're hearing the right level. Finish by confirming the chosen speaker output and testing 1 or 2 turn prompts so you're confident of levels. If prompts remain quiet, disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth or CarPlay. Make sure your car's media volume isn't set separately low. You can also go to Settings, Maps, Driving, and Navigation to verify voice guidance settings and volume behavior. If nothing changes, restart Apple Maps or reboot your iPhone. This clears routing glitches. One quick tip: test a different app to see if it's system audio or map specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.